नाजरीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम। IND टुडे न्यूज में आपका खैर मकदम करते हैं। आइए देखते हैं ये तफसीलात।
टोली चौकी में वाक़ वीनस हाई स्कूल की सालाना तकरीब के मौके पर स्कूल की इमारत में तालिबात के ऐसे खुसूसी शोबे का इफ्तिताह भी अमल में आया, जहां गरीब और मुस्तहिक तालिबात को 6वीं तक 10वीं जमात की मुफ्त तालीम और तमाम सहूलतों की फराहमी की जाएगी। स्पेशल मेट्रोपॉलिटन मजिस्ट्रेट बादशाह नवाज खान ने इस शोबे का इफ्तिताह किया। रिटायर्ड डायरेक्टर जनरल पुलिस AS हुदा और डिप्टी मेयर बाबा फसीउद्दीन भी मेहमान खुसूसी थे।
Venus High School, we have intended to start our girls branch separately because nowadays parents are very much keen to send their girls to a institution where they can have liberty and freedom to study as well as to just compete with each other in a very spiritual ambience. So our aim is to provide all-round development to these girls who are going to join our school, inshallah.
Tell me about this free education about your school.
Yeah, we are thinking of giving the free education to those students who are very much intelligent and whose parents can't afford to give them a very good education, because nowadays you can see that most of the institutions, their fees is very much, they are going on hiking the fees day by day. So the aim of our institution
What classes you are giving free education?
We are going to give from 6th class onwards. Actually, we are going to keep one test on every Sunday in the month of May, and whichever students get above 90%, we are intended to give them free education for not only for 1 year, but from 6th standard onwards till 10th standard, they'll be getting completely free education.
Thank you.